Thanks, Baldy and Betty, for stopping by to learn about starting a business. Starting a business can be an exciting and rewarding endeavor. I've provided a list of the major tasks you will need to help you get started. 1. Identify your business idea. Determine what type of business you want to start. Consider your interests, skills, what you're good at, weaknesses, and market demand. Research potential business ideas to ensure they are viable and have the potential for success. 2. Conduct market research. Evaluate the market for your product or service. Identify your target audience, competition, and potential customer needs. This will help you understand your market and develop a competitive advantage. 3. Develop a business plan. Create a comprehensive business plan that outlines your business goals, strategies, target market, financial projections, and marketing plan. A well-written business plan will guide your business and help you secure funding if needed. A cash forecast will help ensure you don't experience cash shortages. 4. Determine your legal structure. Decide on the legal structure for your business, such as a sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, or LLC. Consult with a lawyer or an accountant to determine the best legal structure for your business based on your specific needs and circumstances. 5. Register your business. Register your business name and obtain any necessary permits or licenses required by your industry and local and state governments. Also obtain any business identifiers needed for IRS, namely an employer ID number and state identifiers such as sales tax and state business taxes. Six. Set up your finances. Open a business bank account to separate your personal and business finances. Consider consulting with an accountant or bookkeeper to set up an accounting system and maintain and provide you with your needed financial records and help you to understand your tax obligations. Learn the basics of accounting and bookkeeping by taking an online courses and tutorials. I provide my free. So, you want to learn bookkeeping series online at my Bean Counter site, https www.ewmbeancounter.com. 7. Secure funding. Determine how you will finance your business. Explore options such as personal savings, loans, grants, or investors. 8. Prepare a financial plan and break-even analysis and determine your selling prices for your products and services. 9. Obtain all needed insurance. 10. Set up your workspace. Determine where you will operate your business. Whether it's a physical location, home office, or online platform, set up your workspace with the necessary equipment and supplies. For you brick-and-mortar businesses, that old saying, location, 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 holds true. 11. Develop a marketing strategy. Create a marketing plan to promote your business and attract customers. Consider online, website, and offline marketing strategies, such as social media marketing, advertising, networking, and partnerships. 12. Identify all your needed suppliers and establish relationships and payment terms. 13. Recruit, train, and hire any needed employees. 14. Open your doors. Once you have completed the necessary steps, it's time to launch your business. Promote your products or services, start serving customers, and continuously evaluate and adapt your business strategies as needed. Remember, starting a business requires dedication, hard work, and perseverance. It's important to stay organized, seek advice from professionals when needed, and be willing to learn and adapt along the way. Good luck with your business venture. One last note. Why do most businesses fail? In my opinion, the answers can be grouped under poor management. You need to manage the day-to-day operations along with managing any employees and your finances.